Hello everyone. I'm Steve, and today I'm thrilled to talk about something that will revolutionize your marketing strategy, AWeber Crash Course 4.0. I'm going to show you why this product is essential for any marketing professional. With AWeber Crash Course 4.0, you will become an authority of one of the most popular email list building programs used by many of the leaders in online marketing. You will learn tips and tricks that will allow you to get more subscribers. Now, let's dive deeper and explore the features of AWeber Crash Course 4.0. With AWeber Crash Course 4.0, you will learn how to create email lists and opt-in forms, watching over my shoulder as I create the thank you page and confirmation success page. Templates and broadcast messages with customized templates that can be sent to thousands at once, helping thousands of people while monetizing your list. And more. You will be able to create an AWeber campaign with pre-written emails that will be sent out on a set schedule to your new subscribers. How to create cool customized opt-in forms in AWeber. Or a landing page with no website in AWeber. So, why you definitely need an email list? All successful online marketers have large email lists with hot prospects and hungry buyers. Also, send a sales letter to your email list costs practically nothing. This is the heaven of making money with no costs. And there is more. Most of the top internet marketers in the industry use AWeber. Now, this will blow your mind. To help you become a master of one of the most popular email autoresponders in the industry, stay tuned for what comes next. Fast Start Bonus Number 1. Included PLR rights to 25 proven ways to drive traffic. The exact same lead magnet that has been proven to build responsive email lists over the years. Fast Start Bonus Number 2. Included resell rights to no-cost lead magnet crash course. Sell or give away this course for free as a bonus or lead magnet. Learn how to use free software to create your free PDF reports, e-covers, and lead magnets. Also, how to create your own free report using free PDF software or your own ebook covers for free using Canva. Fast Start Bonus Number 3. Included PLR resell rights to the no-cost opt-in funnel crash course. Learn how to create an opt-in funnel that makes you money while building your list. Using only free software. If you're looking for an effective email marketing solution, AWeber Crash Course 4.0 might be the answer you're seeking. Don't miss this opportunity. The official link for more information and to get started today is in the description below. Click now. Well, folks, that's it for today. I greatly appreciate you for watching up to this point. And don't forget to check out the link in the description to access the official AWeber Crash Course 4.0 website and take the next step toward email marketing success. See you next time.